Okay, wildlife detective.
Yep.
Now let's go find something wild. Oh, butterfly.
Let's go find something
Butterfly.
wild.
Butterfly.
Come on. Okay, today's trip is with Wildlife Detective and Wildlife Detective Junior. We are going on a quest for butterflies. Should we go see what we can find? So, can you show me your camera, Clara, if I go from the back?
So you put your eye on that shiny bit.
Yeah.
And then you take this button here to take a picture.
Yeah.
You gotta like press it really hard to actually get a good pic. When there's a butterfly, do it as fast as you can.
So that's the top tip there from Wildlife Detective Junior is, for photography, because obviously, as you know, my photography skills are
You can call me
pretty
Clara
limited.
for short.
Small Wildlife Detective, or Clara for short. Okay, so I've seen a butterfly already. In fact, I can see a couple. I can see a speckled wood over there, and I can see a white one in the distance. Not sure what that one is. Should we go and take a look? We've only just left the car park and they're already here. Right then, Clara, let's go see.
Let's see what we can find.
Indeed.
I've heard that butterflies are more likely to be seen in the sunshine, so should we check some sunny areas?
I think that's a very good spot. So there's a speckled wood just there, Clara. Can you see it? That little brown one with the speckles
the little
on it?
brown one.
Can you get a picture of that one? Let's see.
Where is it?
Oh, it's just gone that way near the silverweed over there.
Silverweed.
Now, I say that, I think that's a different one now. Oh, we've got quite a lot of them out already. I'm going to get my big camera out.
I'm going to take a picture of this little pink flower.
Good plan.
Oh.
They're tricky to get, aren't they? It is very tricky to get butterflies though.
Yeah.
But there are supposed to be lots of them here.
These plants look interesting.
So if we have a chance anywhere, we have a chance here. Right, shall we take a walk this way and see if we can find any more down here? There's a few around.
Yeah.
But I think there'll be even more down this trail.
Awesome wildlife. I can take a picture of it. It was too slow, no go.
Too slow, no go. Okay.
Can we head in there? There's something wild in here.
Yeah, there's definitely wild things in there. I think we might do that on the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's nice in there, but I think we might like a cool down under there in the shade when we get back.
Yeah.
Really warm already. Absolutely gorgeous day. Have a look. I'm botanising already. It's supposed to be butterflying, but I can't help it. I'm sorry. It's botany time as well. Let's see if I can get some pictures of this one.
Am I in your way?
Cool with that? No, you're not in my way at all. Oh, there's another one of those there. Let's get another one of them.
Can I take a good picture?
Oh, of course. The more pictures, the merrier, I would say. Oh, look at that one. Oh, wow. That one looked like it was quite a rare one, and I'd quite like to get a picture of it if we spot it again. That was really cool. But I didn't get it on my big camera. Oh.
Oh.
Right, just stay still.
Come on. Let's go find something wild.
I found something wild here. Sometimes it's not just the things you can see, it's also about the things you can hear. Okay, just listen to this.
Because I wasn't quick enough.
Right, it's picnic time. We've stopped for a lunch break and I've set the camera up to see what comes past while we are having a snack.
Sorry about all the crunching effects. I'm eating my crisps.
We've got to have lunch, you know, it's important.
Yeah, it's
refuel. Some lovely wildflowers now. I need to go and have a look at those ones in a minute. My favourite of all the wildflowers here today was Bethany. This one is another new one for my BSBI 100 Plants Challenge list. It's a member of the Laniaceae family, or dead nettle family. So that's the same family as the dead nettles, of course, but also the mints and the wingworts as well. Bethany is also a good source of nectar for the brimstone butterfly.
I keep eating my cheese and onion crisps.
Well, that's a good
Sorry?
point, actually. What is your go-to field snack? What's your favourite thing to keep you going when you're out doing your wildlife detective bit? Let us know in the comments. Clara's gone for cheese and onion crisps to power her through today. I just haven't even got to food yet because I've been too fascinated with what's out here. Do you want to have a look? Oh, look at those up there. Oh my goodness. We quickly learned that seeing butterflies and catching them on our cameras were very different ball games. Oh no, missed it. Missed it. Missed it. But with some time and patience, we managed to film some of them to show you. He's cool, isn't he? Look at that lovely shield bug. Once we had refueled, we continued along the trail. Which took us to Bernwood Meadows. And that took our breath away. Oh, look at this. This is stunning. Oh, Clara, this is beautiful. Just look at this. Oh, and the sound. Oh my goodness, the sound. Oh, look at that one. Oh, there's loads. This is gorgeous. I told you it was amazing.
Meadow's way bigger than I thought it would be.
It's huge, isn't it? I don't know if you can see him, but there's a lovely little grasshopper in there. Oh, off he goes. Although, like most people we chatted to at Bernwood today, we were hoping to catch a glimpse of the rare and beautiful purple emperor butterfly. More on that one later. My personal favourite butterfly that we saw here was the marbled white. And although we saw them in abundance, they were very tricky to catch on camera out here in the meadow. But I did catch this one along the trail back in the forest. I'm trying to get this marbled white, but they're really tricky. Really tricky. There it is. They are so tricky.
You should have brought a butterfly net.
Ah, yes, we saw somebody with a butterfly net, didn't we? But I don't think I'm quite confident enough to use a butterfly net, honestly.
Not that we never want to capture a butterfly. Just capture it, and then as soon as you had a good look at it, you can just let it go again. If you ever want to try butterfly netting, or you've already tried it, please in the comments tell us about it and tell us how to work it and how much you loved it.
Okay, Clara, I've got some bad news.
What?
I'm afraid it's time to go home.
Oh.
We've got a fairly big walk back,
Well, we can.
but I think we're going to have to come back here because this meadow is incredible. So we headed back into the forest. What are your favourite YouTube channels? Clara has been asking what channels do we recommend, but also love to know what channels you recommend.
I recommend Aquarium Info.
Clara's very much into something called Aquarium Info because it has axolotls on it, which is her favourite animal. My favourite channel at the moment is Rock and Roll Birder. because I'm totally getting into birding and I think it's an ace channel and I just love watching it. So how about you? Give us your recommendations for your favourite YouTube channels, preferably wildlife, but not necessarily.
Maybe if you go on and get more subscribers up, we might put Archie in our next video.
I don't think they know who Archie is yet. Why don't you put Archie in front of your face and I'll get a picture. This is Archie, in case you were wondering. Archie is an axolotl. Archie goes everywhere with us. Oh, Clara, look. Be quiet now. There was a little bird on the path in front of you. And you might be wondering if we saw the beautiful purple emperor butterfly I mentioned earlier. And I'm pleased to say that we did. But unfortunately, I didn't manage to catch it on camera for you. Not surprising, given that they spend most of their time high up in the canopy. But one did drop down to bask in the glorious sunshine for a moment, just here on the trail. Oh, bit brambly there, watch out. It was a bit brambly. Right, we're back to the main trail now. We went a bit off piste there. It was a bit brambly, wasn't it? But we're back now, so we're going to head back towards the car park this way and see how long it takes us. Oh, look at that dragonfly! Dragonfly! Look at that! And there's some, I think, some bed straw down there. Oh, look at that dragonfly again, Clara. Going up there, look. Oh, wow. They're just so fast, though. But we have seen lots of them, haven't we? Somebody's getting tired. And her as well. Enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and make sure you are subscribed down below to the channel. We've got more wildlife adventures coming up very soon for you. Can you see me clearly? Yeah. Right. And it's got to be right. Point it at the front. Let's have a look at the front, see what's going on. Okay, so time for coffee for me, at least. Anyway, I'm hoping that they do iced coffee where we're going now. We're going to go and rest up. We've had a really good outing to Bernwood, and oh my god, Bernwood Meadows were amazing. We need to go back there. I have got to spend more time there. Cheers. Cheers.
Stay tuned.
Exactly. Clara says.
Stay tuned.
Junior Wildlife Detective says stay tuned for more wildlife adventures like this one. Make sure you're subscribed.